Everyone, and Stream Trades with you on this short video update on Solana. And what you see here is ascending triangle that got broken to the upper side. Actually, if you watch this channel, I talked to you about the Shiba coin. Let's go ahead and switch it into the Shiba coin. And if you remember that, we said that there's a resistance area here, and it's most likely to be broken to the upper side. That's whatever happened. It's still not there on the Solana. But what do we see on Solana? First of all, I'll let the chart upload. You see all this triangle that got broken. So it's okay that it is retracing now. It's probably gonna try to retest this level. Why it is stopped over here? No wonder why. I'm gonna show you just in a second. First of all, because you can see that that area is the area where Solana had a lot of tension and a lot of resistance over here in April 2021. And also, if you will take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low, you will notice that this area aligns with the 0236 Fibonacci level, which is solid, and that's why I'm having some problems in tensions here. But what I'm waiting for is to confirm the bullish mood for Solana, probably to retrace here, back test it, and then break above this level. If that's going to happen, then there is a good clue that Solana is about to skyrocket to the moon. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to keep updated on all these new shorts, videos, and updates. Have a safe and profitable trading. Bye bye.